Hi everyone, here are the instructions for how to do your free GRE practice test, or how to access it rather. Okay, so we are going to go to the ETS website, which stands for Educational Testing Service, and that's actually the website that you would actually sign up for the GRE, so it's kind of nice. It's www.ets.org. So we're just going to put that in Google. And that gets us to our home page here. And the test we're interested in is the GRE. So we're going to click on the GRE. And then we're going to scroll down to prepare for the GRE general test. And we want to learn more. So we're going to click on the Learn More button. Okay, so this takes us to the page where it says prepare for the GRE general test, and they have a free GRE general test preparation material. So we're just going to click on that, and that gives us a little menu, and we're going to go down to the Power Prep Online. Now we're going to click on the little link below there, learn more about the Power Prep Online, and we go down a little bit and we come to the Power Prep Online where it says 2 free practice tests. So that's where we want to go. We're only going to take one, but we want to click on the right thing. So we're going to go down here and there's 2 links. The top one you don't want to click, the bottom one you do. Access Power Prep Online now. So we're going to click on that. Okay, and it takes us to a menu of things that you kind of like a shopping cart. Now you'll see that these products, Online Practice Test 1, Online Practice Test 2, the price is 0, and that's what we're looking for. If you go down further, you'll see these cost money, so you can pay to take a practice test, but we want right now to do the free practice test. Either practice test 1, practice 2, doesn't matter, but we're going to add this to our cart, practice test 1. And then we're going to click next. Now, you're going to have to either create an account if you don't have an account with ETS, or you're going to have to sign in if you already have an account. I happen to have an account, so I am just going to sign in with my account. Okay, so now I see that my Power Prep Online practice test is in here. I'm going to hit submit. And now I've submitted my order. I can view confirmation, but I don't want to do that. I really just want to look at my test preparation and services. And if you go into your account, if you're not going to take it right now, you can also find the test under my test preparation services. And I'm going to click on that. And it's going to show me the items that I've purchased. And here's the Power Prep Test Preview tool, or here's the online practice test number 1. Okay. And I'm going to go to practice test, and I'm going to click on the practice test. It's going to tell me what I need to operate this, make sure my browser is up to date. And here it is. All I do is enter my first and last name. So I'll put my name in. Oops, let's fix that. And then I'm going to hit launch test, and that's going to launch my test. The first 2 parts of the test are the writing. So you do not have to do the writing, so you can just click to the next one, and you'll start the quantitative or the reading one. I think it's the reading one that starts first. And then there are actually 4 separate time tests that you need to take to get a full score. So you'll want to do that. So it's going to take a little while, so make sure you have plenty of time. And those are the instructions on how to sign up for your practice GRE. If you have any questions, please let your instructor know. Thank you.